Hello and welcome! Today I've got another no-cook recipe for you. This time I'm making vanilla pudding. It is flavorful, delicious, and made of only whole foods. For this pudding, I'm using just a few nourishing ingredients. Half a cup of cashews. They make the pudding rich and creamy. 6 medjool dates. These naturally sweeten the pudding. 6 tablespoons of chia seeds, which are our thickener, packed with omega-3s and fiber. 2 cups of water to blend it all together. 2 centimeters of vanilla bean for that authentic flavor, and a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness and enhance the vanilla flavor. We begin by placing the cashews and pitted dates in a container and covering them with hot water. This will speed up the soaking process, which will take about 4 hours. Alternatively, you can soak them overnight. Once they are done, drain and rinse them well. Now grab your blender. Add the cashews, dates, vanilla bean, chia seeds, 1 cup of water to start, and a pinch of salt. Blend for a couple of minutes. Then add the 2nd cup of water and blend for a few more minutes until smooth. And that's it! Now get your serving cups or jars and transfer the pudding. You can enjoy it as is or add your favorite toppings. You can have it with fresh raspberries. These bright and juicy berries add a pop of tartness that perfectly complements the creamy pudding, balancing out the sweetness from dates. For a tropical twist, I'm adding some sweet ripe mango and tender coconut chunks. The combo gives the pudding a fresh, vibrant taste with a hint of crunch from the coconut. Then, sable grapes. They are not only visually stunning with their deep, rich color, but they add a juicy burst of sweetness to every bite, making the pudding even more irresistible. Finally, my absolutely delicious homemade granola. It adds the perfect crunchy texture and nutty flavor. If you want to try it out, I've got the full recipe on my channel, so make sure to check it out. All these toppings bring vanilla pudding to the next level, elevating the flavors and textures. Each serving of this vanilla pudding is around 270 calories and packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3s. It's also a good source of calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium, making it a healthy and delicious treat. That's all for today. I hope you liked the recipe. Thank you for watching, and goodbye!